Alright, these are going to be the elevators at 2011 Crystal Drive, Arlington, Virginia. And look at that lantern. We got some mostly original Elevonic 401s with replaced fixtures here. Let's go to 11. Whee! Here we are on 11. Lots of levels. 1. Let's get a cab view. Cabs are pretty nice. They were definitely redone relatively recently. You can definitely hear the 401 chime. There are your buttons. Innovation, I believe. One. Let's take this for another ride. Very smooth. Skipped 5, huh? Goes out. Okay, it's safe to get off here. Send that one down. Let's take a little look around. Got some bathrooms. Looks like this building's been recently redone. Huh. Let's see what the map says. And I will say, they did redo this building, and even though it is kind of unfortunate the fixtures are original, I mean, they're still basically original. They're really just 401s, but with the new fixtures. Over here is the service elevator. This one's fully original. Zone's a little messed up. Just go to 1. This one's fully original. This is either an MRQ or relay controlled series 1 though. Still pretty cool though. A little bit of the cab, it's mostly all padded though. Here we are on 1. Oh wow, look at this. That's the fire service for all the elevators here. I don't want to make it nudge. Let's go to PH is locked, 11. here we are. We went up a little bit and then just sunk back down to the floor. Oh, there that one goes. Now we'll go back to the main elevators. Sounds kind of like a doorbell. Indicator glitch there. These are very nice. And you know what? We will end the video on one. Watch one go out. Here we are. Here's the other lock. And we'll get off here. Well, there it goes. And that'll be it.